The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Dallas County and north central Texas, eastern Tarrant County and north central Texas, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:25 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists confirmed a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Kennedale, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Arlington is in the direct path of this tornado. If you are in the path of this tornado, take cover immediately. This is a tornado emergency for southeastern Tarrant County, including the city of Arlington. The tornado will be near Pantego, Dalworthington Gardens and Darlington around 1:35 p.m., Haltom City around 1:40 p.m., Grand Prairie and Richland Hills around 1:45 p.m., Hurst, North Richland Hills and Watauga around 1:50 p.m., Bedford around 1:55 p.m. This will impact the following interstates: Interstate 35 west between mile markers 44 and 70, Interstate 20 between mile markers 430 and 445, Interstate 30 between mile markers 9 and 26, Interstate 820 between mile markers 12 and 35. A large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado has been confirmed. To protect your life, take cover now. Move underground or to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Real dangerous situation on our hands here, Evan. We've got two confirmed tornadoes.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for eastern Dallas County and north central Texas until 2:15 p.m. At 1:25 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists confirmed a large and dangerous tornado near Hutchins, moving north at 30 miles per hour. This is a dangerous situation. Seek shelter now. This is a tornado emergency for Dallas and Hutchins. Seek shelter now. The tornado will be near Dallas around 1:45 p.m., Sunnyvale around 1:55 p.m., Garland and Buckingham around 2:05 p.m., Rowland and Richardson around 2:10 p.m. A large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado has been confirmed. To protect your life, take cover now. Move underground or to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Bosque County and north central Texas until 2:15 p.m. At 1:28 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Meridian State Park, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Meridian around 1:35 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.